Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope so you are all fine. This is your science class and we are doing chapter 1 from cells to organisms. The topic for today's discussion is difference between animal and plant cell. Students, we have studied about different parts of plant and different parts of animal cells, and we have also studied their functions. So today we will discuss that the same organelles which is present in the animal or plant cell, how they are different from each other. We have to discuss their functions. So first thing is nucleus. So if we talk about nucleus, which is an organ in animal cell and plant cell both. So students, the function of nucleus in both cell is same. So there is no difference between animal cell and plant cell nucleus in terms of function, because nucleus has same function in both plant and animal cells. If we talk about the function of nucleus, then the function of nucleus is to control all the activities of the cell, including cell repair. If there is any kind of damage in cell, then nucleus will be used to repair that part of cell. It contains thread-like structures called chromosomes. So here in nucleus you can observe that thread-like structure chromosomes are present in plant nucleus, and thread-like structure chromosome also present in animal nucleus. So these structures are known as chromosomes, and these chromosomes are made of DNA. So either it is plant chromosomes or animal chromosomes, they will made up of DNA, which is deoxyribonucleic acid, and proteins. Students, genes are the parts of these chromosomes, and genes store information, and that information to be passed down from one generation to another, from parents to offspring. All the characteristics will be transferred through these genes. The second one is cell membrane. Students, the function of cell membrane in both plant and animal cell is same. You can observe that plant cell has cell membrane and animal cell also has cell membrane, which is the outer surface, while in plant cell it is inner side of cell wall. So the function of this cell membrane is to act as a partially permeable layer, and it will control the movement of materials into and out of the cell. What things will move from outside to inside and what things will move from inside to outside, it will be controlled by cell membrane in both plants and animal cells. The third one is cytoplasm. Student, you can observe that in plant cell, cytoplasm is structured differently, and in animal cell it is present differently. So if we talk about in plant cell, then you can observe that cytoplasm exists as thin layer in a plant cell. This thin layer, thin white layer, is cytoplasm of plant cell. It is jelly-like and contains other cell parts like chloroplast and different kind of other parts like nucleus, etc. So new materials are constantly being made and broken down here. The function of this cytoplasm is to formation of new material and breakdown of old material. But if we talk about animal cell, then the cytoplasm almost fills the entire animal cell. You can observe this white material is cytoplasm. It is jelly-like and contains other cell parts just like plants. So new materials are constantly being made and broken down here. So students, if we talk about the function of cytoplasm, the function of cytoplasm is same in both plant and animal cell, but their sequence or their space is different. In animal cell it is present in full cell, but in plant cell it is in the form of thin strip. So in this lecture I have explained 3 points, which was the function of nucleus, cell membrane, cytoplasm in animal and plant cells and their differences. If you find any difficulty or any problem in this lecture, you can ask me. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.